Hi everybody, it's Sam Lazar here from Sam Lazar Tech, and our show will be talking about how to make a laptop hard drive, you know, those 2.5-inch drives, you know, the laptop hard drive or SSD, external. So, but before we start, all opinions are my own. All the products here are paid with my own funds. I've never been sponsored. All opinions are my own, and no one has reviewed or approved this content before it has been uploaded to YouTube or any service. So let's go on and talk about these products. So I've got over here a few different hard drives. Here's just a regular WD Western Digital hard drive, 2 terabytes with a replacement cable, one longer one. Here's a drive, SimpleCom, but this is an enclosure, but it's not actually SimpleCom drive, that's an enclosure. So what an enclosure is, it's a casing that goes around the drive. As you can tell, I'm opening it. Low profile, pretty much 2.5 inch, maybe a few centimeters bigger. And in here is from an old laptop, I've got a Toshiba hard drive. The old SATA connections. And then they pop in. So it's really for if you're like someone who wants to get a laptop and upgrade to an SSD, and you've got the old drivers loitering, you know, around the place of doing whatever gibberish, and you're like, oh, okay, what do I do now? I've got a laptop hard drive, which is gathering dust. So yeah, this is so that's why you'll get it. Now it's not clothing. Probably I put this in the wrong way. Yes, I did put them in the wrong way. No wonder why it didn't work. And there's a little lock on there to lock it up and plug it in. So it comes with the cable, but you can also get Type-C ones of these. So they're pretty cool. And here's another one by Unitech, which is just a similar thing. It's a nicer looking cable, but it's got an activity light to see if it's powered on, and to see when it's active, but it flashes when it's active, you know, being used, transferring data, read, write, all that kind of gibberish. And a power, if your device is not powerful enough, you can chuck in a power cable, like some Blu-ray players, which have a USB port, not powerful enough. Well, just chuck it in and it'll do the job. This one is a little more, and it just slides in. HSD came out of my old gaming laptop. So yes, as before, Western Digital and HSD has never sponsored me or reviewing this. It's me doing my own stuff. So it plugs in and that's what happens. But just remember, when you're taking it out of your laptop, you've cloned everything with this drive or enclosure or something else. Just ensure, before you can use it as an external hard drive, it's like a new drive, make sure to wipe it. What I mean wipe it is like, go into a program like a drive wiping software where, like, what's it called, a mini partition wizard. You can wipe the drive clean, just clean it, each partition, so they're blank, delete them all, with the whole drive, make an NTFS, New Technology File System partition, and do it. If you don't understand what that is, there shall be another video on how to format, wipe, make partitions, all that kind of stuff. So you'll be able to do that with your drives, so yeah, I think they're pretty good. USB-A. Anyway, hopefully this was informative to you guys, and this is a great way to make your old drive external inexpensively, depending on what drive you get. I'm Sam, thank you for watching, and see ya.